Hi, this is Brian Lane. I'm here in New York City at Inside 3D Printing, the conference and expo that is all about additive manufacturing, 3D printing. And I'm here with Terry Wohlers, the principal consultant and president of Wohlers Associates. Now, Mr. Wohlers, why 3D printing? Why now? Why is it getting so much attention, excitement? What's the deal?
That's a good question. No one knows for sure, but we think it's two reasons. One is that the companies that are building parts that are going onto planes, into bodies in the form of implants, orthopedic implants, teeth restorations, and a host of other types of examples. Those have gotten a lot of attention in the recent past. And then the second are these low-end machines. We call them personal 3D printers that are priced at $5,000 or less. More typically, $500 to $1,500, and those have really taken off in a big way.
Yeah, it seems that everyone I talk to is really excited about this technology, from people who are excited about the industrial strength machines to the personal desktop style printers. But it seems like people are a little bit over enthusiastic, and there are quite a few myths. What would you say is the biggest myth that you'd like to dispel about 3D printing technology?
Well, you're right. There's a lot of misinformation and hype and so forth. It's not all bad, because it sometimes gives us a peek into what could be possible in the future, but sometimes it's way out into the future, like printing entire bodies or major organs. Those, at least the organs and tissue printing, that'll happen, and there's been a lot of promising research to date, but it'll be some time, probably, hopefully within our lifetime, that we can get a replacement heart or kidney or liver by 3D printing. But the biggest, I think, misconception is that we're all going to have 3D printers in our homes. And of course, the system manufacturers, they want us to believe that because they have interest in seeing this happen. But in reality, I think it'll be mainly the do-it-yourselfers, the hobbyists, engineering communities, people like that, the makers of the world. And there are a lot of those types of people, but for the most part, they'll be the exception. The rule will be people going online and ordering products as they do today. And in the background, we'll see all kinds of capacity. We'll see 3D printers working in really professional grade systems working in the background, supplying parts to all kinds of online businesses.
And so, if not everybody's going to have one, but we will be ordering them in the sort of consumer sphere, in the industrial sphere, where is this going? Are more people going to be adopting this technology? Are more companies going to really look to it to, integrate with their production lines right now? Where is this going?
Yeah, major corporations are quite interested. Some of the biggest brands in the document printing business, for example, companies like SAP, which they gave us permission to mention their name, they're very interested because they believe that there'll be a big need for IT and infrastructures to be built around multinational companies with multiple locations to be able to produce a network of capacity, bringing parts in and supplying various locations with parts and services. So that's an example. Some of the big office supply stores are also interested in getting into this, and so it's really the sky's the limit. Will Apple get into it? Will they develop an iPrint machine that is a 3D printer? Who knows? No one really knows for sure.
But it's going somewhere good, is what you could say.
Yeah, I mean, I'm very optimistic. Growth in 2011 was more than 29%. We haven't finalized the data for 2012, but we think it's going to be in the range of between 20 and 30%. And if you look at the technology, the industry historically, it's grown by 26% every year on average for about 25 years. So it's a strong industry, and the future is very promising.
And that 2012 data will be available from Wohlers Associates in the next month or so, you said?
That's right. We've been doing a global study, an industry report. We've been doing it for 17 years. The 18th annual edition will come out next month from us.
Great. Thank you so much, Mr. Wohlers. This is Terry Wohlers, the principal consultant and president of Wohlers Associates. I'm Brian Lane. We're here at Inside 3D Printing in New York City. Thanks for watching.